But we begin this afternoon with that warning from health leaders. Michigan is nearing its highest number of hospitalizations since the pandemic began. Good afternoon and thank you for joining us. I'm Glenda Lewis.
And I'm Brian Abel. That word coming as case numbers continue to trend in the thousands. Today, more than 17,000 new infections were reported, along with 83 additional deaths over a 3-day period. Averages out to about 5,600 new cases a day.
Classrooms hit hard by the spread. The state today reporting 140 new school outbreaks, including 17 schools in Wayne County. 7 of those schools are in Detroit alone.
The district, along with those in Ann Arbor and Ypsilanti, taking the short holiday week off to try and curb the spread.
And hospital leaders urging everyone they can to do their part. They're reporting a near record 3,700 hospitalizations with COVID patients, including 784 in the ICU. 7 Action News reporter Simon Shaquette joining us live with the dire warning from Michigan hospitals on the brink of collapse.
And Simon, what are hospitals experiencing right now in Metro Detroit?
Brian, Glenda, Beaumont Health is looking very closely at this situation inside their hospitals. Keep in mind the timing of all of this as the holidays are approaching as we speak. And the surge of COVID cases in Michigan has one top doctor speaking out.
We're on a really sharp uphill slope right now. Right now, we're launching into what looks to be a legitimate surge.
The surge of COVID cases in Michigan has Dr. Justin Skrinsky of Beaumont Health paying close attention to alarming numbers, rapidly approaching all-time pandemic highs. According to the state, as of November 21st, a staggering 3,785 COVID patients have been hospitalized, with 784 in the ICU.
Because of the fact that we're dealing with a much more contagious variant than we did before, again, we really could see numbers which were approaching the initial surge that we had a year and a half ago.
The state says some chief medical officers are also encouraging patients who meet criteria to seek out antibody therapy to help reduce chance of being hospitalized. Vaccinations, boosters, social distancing, and mask wearing are also once again being urged, along with testing. And at emergency rooms across southeast Michigan, wait times and staffing shortages also could cause delays should this rise in cases continue.
We've got good capacity in the hospital, but as we know from previous surges, that can run out real quick. If you look at the ICU beds, so many of them are being taken up not only by the COVID patients now, but also COVID patients we've had from before.
The state says mostly unvaccinated patients continue experiencing longer hospital stays and more severe symptoms. At the same time, challenges due to added stress and being overworked are becoming more likely for staff. But Dr. Skrinsky adds a recent decision to give students in some local school districts such as Detroit, Ann Arbor, and Ypsilanti the entire week off to minimize spread is one he supports.
I think it's a good idea to keep kids home. Again, you're not concerned necessarily about kids getting sick. They can, but fortunately not nearly as often as adults, especially going to the holidays. If you have older relatives or ones with chronic illness, those are the exact people at risk to get sick and have the serious complications. And the more people that we can keep out of the hospital, the better care we're going to be able to provide and the more prompt care for the people that actually come in needing it.
Now, day-to-day, hospital administrators continue to watch those numbers very closely. And again, with the holidays approaching, they're reminding everyone, once again, simply if you don't feel well, to stay home. Glenda, back to you.
Yeah, it is a tough time right now with families wanting to get together. Thank you so much, Simon, for that update.